Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a waffle breakfast sandwich. First thing we're going to do is we are going to make the waffle. And while the waffle is cooking, we're gonna work on what's gonna go inside this delicious sandwich. Now, I love sweet, salty mix. So this is the perfect sweet waffle with the cheesy egg sandwich that you really want first thing in the morning. This is also great to meal prep, great for the whole family. Jumping right in, we're gonna make our waffle batter. We're gonna add in some coconut flour, baking powder, your favorite sweetener of choice. I'm gonna use erythritol. And let's whisk this all together. This is kind of a play on the McDonald's McGriddle, which is, like syrupy and sweet. This is not too sweet, but it gives you the hint of sweetness that you really want. My dry ingredients are mixed together. I'm now gonna add in some heavy cream and vanilla extract. I'm also gonna add in some butter. This is just melted unsalted butter. And we're gonna add in our eggs. I'm gonna add one at a time until I get the consistency that I like. Another reason we're waiting to add the eggs until the end is because we want that melted butter to not be hot, and when it mixes with the rest of the ingredients, it kind of cools down the mixture. Otherwise, your eggs are gonna start cooking immediately when you add them. This is the right consistency that we're looking for. I have extra large eggs, so I only needed to use 2. But if you have large eggs or a smaller size egg, then it might just take a little more. As long as you get this consistency, that's exactly what you're looking for. I'm now heating up my waffle maker. If you want to purchase this waffle maker, I have it linked in my Amazon links in the description below. I'm gonna take some avocado oil spray and I'm gonna spray the inside of the waffle maker on both sides. And I'm gonna take my mixture and put it into each side of the waffle maker. This mixture is enough for 4 waffles. Again, I'll make sure to put this in the description below. You guys already know all of my ingredients and measurements can always be found in the description. We're gonna close this up and let this cook. While the waffle is cooking, we're gonna work on our egg. Now, I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna do a fried egg with some cheese. You can do whatever kind of filling you want. Make it even more cheesy. Use whatever kind of cheese you prefer. Put a sausage in there, put some bacon in there. Whatever you want, make it your own. To a nonstick pan, I'm gonna take some of the avocado oil spray again. Now, I'm not sponsored, but I love Chosen Foods avocado oil spray. Cleanest ingredients, highly recommend. To my hot pan, I'm gonna add in 1 egg, and it is on low heat. And we're just gonna simply fry this. Add some salt, a little bit of black pepper. Sometimes I like to do a sweet, salty, spicy. You could add a little bit of red chili pepper flakes. I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm gonna keep it really simple. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. To my fried egg, I'm gonna add in some Colby Jack cheese. Again, use whatever cheese you like. Mozzarella, cheddar, no cheese. Make this your own. The most important part of this recipe is the delicious waffle that we're putting it in. Your waffle is gonna cook between 4 to 5 minutes, and our waffles are ready. Take a look at that. I'm just gonna set them in this plate. Our fried egg is done, but our waffles are not. The final touch to our waffles, I've taken off the egg. I'm gonna take my waffle and set it right on the pan. And I'm gonna take some of that Colby Jack cheese, same one I put on the egg, and I'm gonna put it on top of the waffle. I want this to get nice and melty. Putting down my second waffle. Just gonna toast that other side while the cheese is melting. And again, I have it on low heat. We don't want this to get too hot. Turning off the heat, I'm gonna take my waffles and set them aside. Time to assemble our sandwich. I'm gonna take that delicious fried egg, put it on top of the waffle. Then I put my other waffle right on top. Take a look at that, so toasty, so delicious. Let's do a cross section right here. Guys, take a look at this deliciousness. I cannot wait to take a bite. Salty, sweet, the perfect breakfast sandwich. Cheers. Everything you could possibly want and more in a breakfast sandwich. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.